back to Noel Crafts. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to crochet a starfish which you can use as a bag charm or a keychain holder. For this tutorial, we are going to need Robin's medium weight yarn. You can use any sports weight, and if you are going to use a much chunkier yarn, make sure you are using a size up hook. We'll be using 3.5mm crochet hook, and we'll also need scissors and a needle to weave in our ends. I'm going to double strand my yarn. So our first step, we are going to make a loose loop or a loose knot. From here we are going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, crochet a chain 11 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. We have our chain 11 stitches, so we are going to skip the first stitch on the chain, and crochet a slip stitch in the following stitch. So crochet a slip stitch. There we have it. In the second stitch, crochet a single crochet stitch. This is how it looks so far. After the single crochet stitch, crochet 6 double crochet stitches. So yarn over, crochet through the first 2 stitches, then through the second 2 stitches, and we have our first double crochet stitch. We have our second double crochet stitch, our third double crochet stitch, our fourth double crochet stitch, our fifth double crochet stitch, our sixth double crochet stitch. After this, we are going to crochet a half double crochet stitch, this is a half double crochet stitch. Then the last stitch is going to be a single crochet stitch, and we have our first flap of our starfish. After this, we are going to crochet a slip stitch in the main loop, in the magic circle, like that. This is how it looks. We are going to make another one like this. So crochet a chain 11 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So just like the previous one, we skip the first stitch, then the second stitch on the chain, you crochet a slip stitch. After the slip stitch, our second stitch is a single crochet stitch. After this, we are going to crochet 6 double crochet stitches. Our first double crochet stitch is done. Our second stitch, our third stitch, our fourth stitch, our 5th stitch, and our 6th double crochet stitch is done. After this, we are going to crochet a half double crochet stitch. This is going to be a half double crochet stitch. There we have it. And the last stitch is going to be a single crochet stitch. There we have it. The last stitch is in the loop and it's a slip stitch like that. So already have 2 out of 5. So crochet 3 more, one here, another one here, and another one here, to have a total of 5 of these pieces. From there, we'll continue from that point. So I just finished my 5th fin. From here, we are going to cut off that working yarn. Then turn your project around. We have this tail yarn that was used to size up the magic ring. We can now pull it to reduce the size of that magic ring like that. From here, we are going to weave all ends. We are going to weave this one. Then we are also going to weave our working yarn. This is how our starfish looks once all the ends are woven in. From here, if you have the chain, you just place on one of the fins. So this is it for our crochet starfish bag charm or keychain. Thank you so much for watching to this end. I would really love to see how yours stand out. If you do make one, please remember to share with us. I'm on Instagram at Noel Crafts Co. So thank you so much for watching to this end. Until next time, bye bye.